Hello pilots, and welcome back to the ramp here at Sporty's Pilot Shop for another new product checklist. This is where the pilots at Sporty's take the top 10 favorite products we've added in the last 30 days and put them together in a simple video just for you. Let's check out the top 10 new products for November 2024. Studying the far aim is a must-do for students here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. And something that can help you in studying that far aim are these new far aim tabs. You can see we've already tabbed this far aim up here, and there's lots of tabs that point to specific sections of the far aim for further study. Whether you're doing part 91, 61, 141 study, there's lots of different tabs in here to help point you in the right direction. There's even some blank tabs here that you can put in here for the special regulations that only your flight instructor or your examiner really wants you to know. Every ASA far aim here at Sporty's that is sold comes with these sheets of far aims, but you will have to install the tabs yourself. Number 2 on our list is the Flight Gear Survival Kit. We've added a lot of survival items to our selection here in the last year. This kit combines a lot of those items into one piece. It has a hatchet, a multi-tool with a whole lot of bits, a folding camp saw, even a collapsible shovel, along with a flashlight. All this is perfect to fit into the luggage compartment of any plane you're flying. Number 3 on our list is the Telex Airman 7 Plus headset. This is the passive version of the Telex Airman 8 Plus. So if your application calls for something that you don't need ANR for, this is the perfect solution. Garmin has updated a product here for our number 4. It's the inReach Messenger Plus. This is historically is a product you put on your dash, and you can do tracking as well as text messaging. Well, they've added photo send as well as voice capability to this new unit. Number 5 on our list is this updated book from ASA. It's by Bob Gardner and it's called Say Again Please. And it's been around so long that even I learned how to fly with this book. This is the 7th edition, and it's updated for a lot of the new terminology and technology that you're going to find in the modern systems. The Flight Crew at Pilot Workshops puts together some amazing textbooks, and this is their latest manual, and it's on how ATC really works. This is the print version. They also have a digital version, and both those come together for that one purchase price you'll find on our website. The print version is a lay flat with this spiral binding, makes it really easy to read and review and study. The information here is great, and they have these great 4-color images inside. There's lots of other Pilot Workshops manuals to choose from on our website at sportys.com. Sporty's Pilot Shop just added JetSeam pilot shirts, and these are phenomenal. They're the right combination of price, comfort, and quality that will be perfect for you when you transition into the airline careers. They're constructed with this super soft, stretchy fabric. The necks have this really nice mesh fabric in there so that it doesn't rub against you after 8 hours of flying. And they have all the features that you come to know and love when it comes to pilot shirts. The flap pockets are open on top, so you can tuck in sunglasses or pens. They have a more modern fit, so they're not as boxy as older pilot shirts. And they're available in men's and women's long and short sleeve. JetSeam pilot shirts are amazing, but what they lack is the high price. Each one of these shirts you'll find around $40. Number 8 on our list are these new sunglasses from Cloudbase Optics. These are called Warmfront, and they have the rounded Aviator appeal here on the bottom. Cloud-based lenses are amazing. They really help you define the edge of the clouds and see different layers that are out there. Each pair of cloud-based sunglasses include this custom case as well as a cleaning cloth. At under $100, cloud-based sunglasses are a great value for the budget-conscious pilot. Number 9 on our list are these control locks. And many of the aircraft here at Sporty's are Cessna. And sometimes a student pilot might tuck one of these in their flight bag and walk away with it. These are perfect replacements, and we have them for most 172s as well as 182s. Number 10 on our list is this Forensics Carbon Monoxide Detector 2.0. This is the upgrade from their previous unit. They've updated this unit with a larger, brighter, easier to read screen. There's also a soft touch feel to this, which makes it really nice in the hand. It comes with this cradle that is easily mounted to your aircraft panel, and then this just slides right in. Batteries are easily replaced too from the back. This CO detector has an audible alarm as well as a flashing LED. So if you mount it on your panel, it'll be easier to see if you have a CO warning. Those are the top 10 products we have from November 2024 here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can get next month's new product checklist as well.